All right, let's take a look at homework 1-3. One of the first ones you'll come across is a problem that looks similar to this. In our case, we have a doctor's office with 4 doctors. They had 21 patients that morning, and each one of these initials refers to a different doctor. And so we're just trying to find out how many people saw each doctor. So here are the 21 patients. They saw these doctors, and we just got to go around and count each doctor. So first thing, I see an F over here, so I'm gonna go count the F's. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 F's. I'll go over here and put a 6 in there. Get the M's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 M's. So there's a 5 there. Get the P's next. 1, 2, 3, 4 P's. And if I do a little quick math, that's 15 so far. It tells me there's 21, so there should be 6 of these T's, but let's count them and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 T's. All right, it's just like we thought there would be. So we set up the frequencies for each one. Now we can go down here and answer some questions. It says these doctors are affiliated with 4 major medical groups, but not every doctor is affiliated with every group. The table below shows the groups and the doctors affiliated with them. And the question is, how many patients went to see a doctor affiliated with Bayside Medical Group? Okay, so here's Bayside, and they have doctors M and T. So these guys right here, boom and boom. So how many patients went to see a doctor affiliated with Bayside? So since they have those 2 doctors, we take the patients that went to see them, 5 and 6, add them together, and we get 11 patients. All right, that's problem type number 1. This next one, I kind of messed it up when I was copying it, but you'll get the general idea. This is not one that's really, really difficult. In fact, I thought about not even talking about this one, but here I am doing it anyway. But you're going to get this one's talking about models of shirts come in different colors: black, white, blue, yellow. And then it's going to say, we got 13 shirts sold last week. Here are all the different colors. And draw a bar graph. Okay, so you're going to have something down here where you're able to type in or select what goes down here, right? Which in our case is going to be things like black, the colors of the shirts, white, blue, and yellow. And then you'll go through and you'll just count up, how many blacks. Okay, and then you will be able to pull up the bar to the right height. So if you only have 1 black, and let's just say you have 4 or 5 whites, that you pull that up to 4, and then you count the blues, and then you do yellows. Okay, so nothing, and usually these things are numbered over here. Okay, but you're going to end up with some kind of bar graph like that. And this last one is just interpreting a double bar graph. So given this bar graph, answer some questions about it. So it tells us that it says estimate the number of printers, the number of Model A printers produced at the Riverton plant. Okay, estimate the number of Model A printers. All right, so at Riverton. So here's Riverton. Model A is this gold bar. So I just kind of got to estimate how high is that gold bar. It's not quite to 400. You know, I could probably say 380, 390, and get credit for that. Next question. Which plants produce more Model B printers than Model A printers? Okay, so which plants do Model B? Model B is the dashed column. So which ones have a dashed column bigger than the gold column? And there's the only one. So I would say Oakville is the only time that happens. Which plant produced the fewest printers total? Okay, so definitely going to be between these two guys. This looks like it's definitely got the two smallest batches. Just want to be careful here on something like that. One may be real tall and one real small. They'd cancel each other out a little bit. But in this case, it looks like east side is definitely the answer to this question. And boom. So we're just giving a graph, answering some questions about it. Y'all should not take very long for this. Good luck. Let me know if you need some help, though. Shoot me an email.